Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to Ride to the Sun, the channel you come to for all things motorcycling. If you are new here, my name is Andre, and I'd love to have you subscribe to the channel. We are behind the numbers that I hope for, but I think we're going to catch up the end of this year here and early next year. So I'd appreciate your support. For all my veterans, spouses, civilians that support the military, thank you also for your service on this great Veterans Day. I appreciate all that you do. Now we're heading out to Fredericksburg, Virginia today on the Bmw S1000Rr. We're about to change the oil. Bear with me, and I hope you enjoy this episode. Thanks again.
We are here. Alright, this is what she looks like now. This is what she's gonna look like in a little bit. Come on in. I need the box. The whole thing? You think I could tape a little bit of the service? You think I could tape a little bit of the service?
Tape a little bit of it? Like record it?
Yeah.
I'll check.
Yeah, I like to see the oil part or how much metal pieces come out of the.
You want us to like save you a sample of the oil?
Yeah, that would be great. I don't have it. Can you? I didn't bring my little.
I got you.
All right, that's what she looks like now. Abracadabra.
Oh yeah, well, it's his first time here, so he's looking at everything, and he is just like the kid in Kings.
I know, right?
All right, so you can see she's
Expensive
got
toys.
the lower half of the exhaust off.
Okay, that
Here it
is
over there.
huge.
Please.
Thank you very
So
much.
this has not been touched or altered, so you can see how much it costs.
Not much at all.
Man, I did good.
You did.
Man, that is. Look at that. That's expert level right there.
That's the oil sample if you want to collect it into
Yeah,
that.
I'm gonna put that in here. I'll
But
cleaning
it
this up.
doesn't look bad either.
That's
Like
awesome.
I'll move it around.
Exactly how that looks.
You don't see any shimmer.
Yeah, that is. Man, I'm good. This is proof how good I am. Look at this. Just kidding.
I mean, yeah.
I should look.
Fantastic.
That's awesome. So, a quick question for you.
Of course.
You're the expert, right? I'm
Something
just
like that.
The M or the S1000Rr? Which one and why? She said I didn't want to hit that.
I would probably go S myself, just for the fact of the M. The services are a little more expensive, and the valve service is a lot more expensive.
Wow.
A lot more.
Is it a lot more work or is it just
Yes, it's open the engine up, split it in half. It's rod bearings as well.
every how many miles?
18,000.
So, okay.
So
17,000, sell it, get a new one.
yes, actually, trade it in for the next day. We got a couple guys planning
Forget
to
that
do
problem.
Yeah, that's full race bike.
Yeah. Yeah, she looks really good. She's kind of dirty, so I'm glad I didn't clean it up before I came here because it's about to rain on me on the way back. So
Yes, it is.
I'll let you finish so I can hit the road.
Of course.
But she looks great. I appreciate you letting me take a look.
Don't worry, you'll hear it.
You will hear it.
Oh,
Either
yeah.
that or I'll come get you for the first start.
Oh,
One of
yeah.
the two.
The arrow is supposed to sound really nice.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah.
Before you start it, I'll grab you. So you can
Oh,
hear
yeah,
it.
I'd love to hear that first
You
start.
gotta have that camera rolling too. Oh, baby's first start.
Yeah. I appreciate you.
So-
Appreciate it. Say that one more time.
So from the factory comes with the short oil filter.
Gotcha.
And by BMW, they
This
want
one right there.
yes.
Yeah.
And from by the books, they want us to put the long filter on during the first service. However, if you have an aftermarket exhaust, it makes it very difficult to remove it and next to impossible to torque it. So we actually recommend keeping the short filter,
Gotcha.
and we find no difference in longevity or health of the engine when we do this.
Appreciate you doing that twice. Thank you for everything.
Of course.
So I swing by when you were about to start it up. How long you think?
Depends on how much you got.
Yeah, it's a lot of bikes in here. Appreciate that.
she's the person I get all my real technical info from.
Yeah, she's pretty informed. Yeah. Yeah. When do you guys ever get the 24s in? I know. I know.
Oh, the one you cannot flip it?
That's all.
My wife, man.
Yeah, man, just be safe, okay?
Yeah, I gotta take it easy. I gotta slow down.
Yeah, do that.
You doing all right?
Yeah, I'm good, man. I'll see you next time I come up. You haven't started her, have you?
Not yet.
Good, good.
Here's step one.
Oh my God.
Yes.
She lost her baby.
Sound like it's been struggle stay running. Perfectly understandable and acceptable. Once it runs for a minute, it'll figure itself out and it'll settle in. Second thing is the extra lubricant on the joints. Probably gonna put up a big plume of smoke. It's fine. Big plume of smoke is fine. And some rough idle at first is also fine.
I know, right? My whole motorcycle is bad. This is good. I feel like something is missing.
You're running on a diet.
Yeah.
You want to do it or you?
Really?